Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Thursday. So today we're making a cream egg cake. So cream eggs are so popular on Easter. I used to love them so much when I was a kid. Now it's like they're so sweet, oh my gosh, but I still love them. And today we are turning them into a cake. So this is a white chocolate, milk chocolate, and butterscotch layered cake, and it is covered in delicious chocolate buttercream, and it has a white chocolate ganache kind of drip onto the sides of the cake, or like down the sides of the cake to look like the yolk and the white from the cream egg. And then there are cream eggs piled on top, and there's also, ouch, there's also, I'm insane today. I'm such a weird mood. Anyways, and there's also cream eggs layered within the buttercream that is layered like between the cakes. So good. If you're a fan of cream eggs, you need to try this recipe. And also, if you can't cook cream eggs wherever you live, I actually made some homemade versions, or a homemade version a couple of years ago, and I'll link that in the cards right here. So you're covered in all bases. So if you really want to make this and you can't buy cream eggs, you can make your own. So let's get started. So first, to bake the cake, you want to beat the butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and eggs one at a time, beating with each addition. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. Add this to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with the sour cream. Divide the batter into 3 bowls, and then add some dulce de leche and butterscotch chips to one bowl, melted dark chocolate and dark chocolate chips to the second bowl, and some melted white chocolate and white chocolate chips to the last bowl, and mix well. And I know I just said dark chocolate, but in the video I actually used milk chocolate, but you can use whatever you like. Pour the batter into 3 greased and floured 6-inch round baking pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the middle comes out clean, and then cool them completely. To make the buttercream, beat the butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and mix well. Now add the confectioner sugar and cocoa powder 1 cup at a time, mixing with each addition. Then add the melted milk chocolate and beat until the buttercream is light and fluffy. Then to make the drip glaze, combine some white chocolate and whipping cream and divide into 2 bowls. Then dye the glaze white and yellow and set aside. Then to assemble the cake, slice the tops and bottoms off the cakes to flatten the surfaces and remove any excess browning. Stack the cakes on your desired stand in any order that you like, and spread some buttercream between each cake, and scatter 5 chopped cream eggs between both layers of buttercream. Coat the entire surface of the cake in a thin coat of buttercream. Then pop the cake in the fridge for 30 minutes for the frosting to stiffen. Then you want to coat the cake in a thick, generous layer of buttercream. Smooth the surface and edges as best as you can, and then we are going to go on to the drip glaze stage. So you want to check the consistency of the drip glaze. If it's still super thin, just pop it in the freezer for 5 minutes or so until it's slightly thickened but still liquid. And then spoon both colors of drizzle onto the edges of the cake, and then gently swirl the excess drizzle on the top. Then pop the cream eggs for decorating on top of the cake, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're notified when my next video goes live. I upload every single day from Monday to Friday, and it's still kind of like new on my channel, and I'm so excited about it. So there are so many recipes here for you. Oh my gosh. Last Thursday we actually made a mini egg cake, which I will have linked here for you guys. So if you want to check it out, definitely go check that out. And I will see you tomorrow for that new video. Bye!